The wait is over. Look, I get excited over big popular headphones when they come out, but not a lot of people know about this brand right here. But it won't be long before this brand takes over the big boys in the noise canceling and sound department, because the Linner NC50, NC80, and now we got the Linner NC90 headphones on deck. Let's open these bad boys up and see what they have inside, because I've been waiting on this. So if you saw my review of the Linner NC80s, they are on-ear headphones. Look at this. Oh man, I love the premium feel to everything. Anyways, the Linner NC80, they are great on-ear noise canceling headphones. Actually, probably the best on the market at that price range that you'll find. And I was praying, oh my God, I was praying. I guess Linner heard my prayers and they designed these, the Linner NC90 over-ear, look at this, over-ear headphones. So yes, the ear cups are bigger and they have these little things in here. It's almost like, you know, when you get your shoes and they have that thing in there. Let me see if there's anything else in the box. Oh man. Okay, so we have this this other box right here. I'm assuming, yes, we got a carrying pouch. And let's see what we got in here. Okay, so robot design power bank free. Okay, they're giving you free stuff. I like free stuff. And then we have some instructions. I think these are just like the NC80, so I won't have no problem with that. Then you got your 3.5 to 3.5, and then you have a micro USB charging cable. Let's put all this to the side. So that was a premium unboxing experience, but let's get into these headphones. Oh man, I love it. I love it already. The design language is the exact same, well, almost the exact same as the Linner NC80, with the exception of now we have this soft vinyl on the top here with a little logo right there. Ooh, I like it. It's not overly done. I love it, love it, love it. These headphones look so professional. You can actually take these out as a grown man and not be too flashy. You can just listen to your music. Hopefully the noise canceling works very well in these as it did in the NC80s. I hate to keep comparing the two, but those headphones really impressed me so much that I'm really thrilled about having these. Okay, so what we have here is this premium headband. It is a very, very soft vinyl we got here. And then we have some cushion up under here. And yeah, the headband is solid, man. I like it. It's a great looking and feeling headband. Then we got some metal arms right here, and it doesn't ratchet or click, but it is a very smooth sliding mechanism in there. That is nice. Okay, and then we got some swivel action. They do not fold up for transport, but they do swivel all the way out. On the right ear cup, we have a power button. Well, let's start here. This is probably a noise canceling mic. Then we have a LED and a power button and a volume up and down rocker, 3.5 millimeter input, USB port right there. And that's probably another noise canceling mic right there, or maybe a mic. And then on the opposite side, we have an LED and a noise canceling button right there. And that is it. Now, if I remember correctly, these have a feature to where you can actually double tap to pause your music, double tap to play your music. And then if you put your palm over it, you can go into ambient sound mode, or where you can listen to your outside surroundings. They are true over-ear headphones. Yes, yes, yes. These ear cups, my whole ear is fitting in that hole. I dig it. I dig it. And I don't have to stretch them out. Remember, I got a peanut head. This feels good. Yeah, this feels good, man. They are super lightweight, but they do not feel cheap. In my opinion, they definitely feel very premium. I wish that more headphones that cost $300 to and above would have a better build quality such as this one. Oh man, they're killing it right now. So let me just go into it. Yeah. All right, I was just listening to Freeway. Okay, so we do have a good amount of bass in these headphones. These are not bass head headphones. These are for great listening, like and just enjoying your music. Oh, okay. Ha! They sound so good. They sound so good. Okay, plenty of bass. Like I said, these are not bass head headphones, but they have plenty of bass for you. The mids and highs are pretty balanced. And this is all without the noise canceling on. So let me go ahead and go back up in here and turn on this noise canceling. First of all, I got to test it to see if it blocks out anything. And then next, I got to see if it changes the sound signature, because that's what made me fall in love with the NC80s, is the fact that they did not change the sound signature once you turn on the noise canceling. So here we go. Noise canceling off. I can hear cars out there. Noise reduction medium. And I can still hear the cars, but they're pushed into the background. And I can't really hear anything in here, such as the AC and the ambient sound. Noise canceling high. It doesn't seem like it changed. Yeah, there it goes. I feel a little bit of cabin pressure. But the cars are just about gone. Let me listen carefully. Hold on. I can't hear any of that outside noise from out there. Yeah, hear a car coming. Car's gone. Okay, so the noise canceling works. It cancels out a lot of deep ambient sounds. As far as high-pitched stuff, let me see. Okay, the high-pitched sounds, they're going to be pushed toward the background, so you won't hear them. I would put this up pretty much on the same level as my Skull Candy Venues. And those are $180 headphones, man. So let me go back in. Let me turn the noise canceling off. Okay, it's off. Let me go back in, and I'll play some music, and then I will switch to noise canceling to see if it changes. All right, hold on. I'm being real judgmental right now. Let me turn it back off. Oh, that's clean. Okay, so we have the ambient sound feature. We got 2 levels of noise cancellation. We've got great sound with the noise canceling off. And when you turn on the noise canceling, it just gives everything a slight boost. It doesn't necessarily change the sound signature. Well, maybe the mids and highs get a little bit more refined and crisp, but it's a good thing. Let me back up a little bit. So with these off, you see how much I enjoyed the sound of these things. So they sound fantastic with the noise canceling off. But when you actually turn on the noise canceling, everything gets a slight decibel boost. But it also seems like the mids and highs brighten up, and it makes everything sound so much better. I give them 2 thumbs up, man. I gotta give them 2 thumbs up. These are a 10 out of 10. Build quality, sound quality, everything is a go. Noise cancellation at this price is a definite win. I do not feel like you'd be sorry spending your money on these. These are excellent headphones, man. I will say that the overall volume is about as loud as the Skull Candy Venue or the Crushers. It's not like gonna deafen you. I was listening to the UFOs the other day, and I almost went deaf listening to those headphones. It was ridiculous. These right here have a very responsible overall volume. You will not go deaf listening to these, but you get plenty of sound out of them. I stinking love them. Great headphones from Linner. Linner, you hit a home run. This is 3 for 3, Linner. This is one of those times I'm really glad I put it out in the universe. I asked, could they please make an over-ear headset just like the other one? And they did, and it's actually really, really good. All right, Linner, you are all right in my book, man, but I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just digging the Linner NC90s, man. Anyways, I got to get out of here, but before I go, you make sure you tap on that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.